AI was supposed to make work easier. Instead, it might be frying our brains. A new study shows something unexpected. The more we rely on multiple AI tools at once, the more mentally exhausted we become. Not less, more. And for a lot of people, that shift is already happening right now. Before we go deeper, if you're into real, no-fluff insights on AI and how it's actually changing work, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with how you're using AI today. Here's what's going on. Researchers surveyed around 1,500 workers and found a clear pattern. People who constantly jump between different AI tools experience higher decision fatigue and make more mistakes. About 1 in 7 workers said they've already felt real mental burnout from juggling AI at work. Let that sink in. The tools designed to reduce effort are, in some cases, increasing it. Julie Bedard from Boston Consulting Group, one of the study's authors, called this an early warning sign. The issue is not that AI is bad. It's that we're layering it on top of existing workflows without changing how we actually work. And that creates a problem. AI can move faster than we can think, but our brains haven't changed. We're still operating with the same cognitive limits, now trying to supervise systems that never stop. Here's the paradox. AI can reduce burnout, but it can also create it. When people use AI to offload repetitive tasks, stress goes down. That's the promise we've all heard. But when people are forced to monitor multiple tools, check outputs, switch contexts, and constantly make decisions, stress spikes fast. So instead of doing less, many people are doing more. More oversight, more decision-making, more mental switching. And that's where this idea of AI brain fry comes in. If you've worked deeply with AI, you've probably felt it. There's this constant stop-and-go rhythm. One task takes 5 seconds, another takes 50, another takes 5 minutes. You're waiting, checking, editing, prompting, adjusting. You've got multiple tabs open, multiple workflows running, and your brain never fully settles. One professional in the study described it as a different kind of exhaustion. Not physical, not even traditional mental fatigue, but something new. A kind of cognitive overload from constantly managing intelligent systems. And here's the deeper issue. AI doesn't just expand what we can do. It expands what we feel like we should do. When the possibilities are endless, it becomes harder to stop. There's always a better version, a smarter workflow, a more optimized output. So instead of finishing faster, people end up spending more time trying to perfect things. That's the hidden cost. But there's a practical takeaway here. The people who manage this well set clear limits. They define when something is done. They use AI to remove work, not multiply it. And they avoid stacking too many tools at once. Simple, but not easy. For businesses, this is a big deal. For years, the assumption has been that AI would let fewer people do more work. But if workers are already hitting cognitive overload, that model starts to break. The study found that companies with better leadership and clearer AI strategies saw less burnout. When managers were intentional about how AI was used, employees performed better and felt less strain. When they weren't, mistakes increased, decision-making slowed down, and fatigue went up. So the solution isn't to abandon AI. It's to rethink how humans and AI work together. Not just adding AI on top of old systems, but redesigning the system itself. Because AI might be limitless, but human attention is not. And the companies that understand that first are the ones that will actually benefit from this shift. If you're using AI right now, take a step back and ask yourself one question. Is this removing work or just reshaping it into something more complex? That answer matters more than any tool. If you found this useful, like the video. Subscribe for more real-world AI insights and drop a comment with your experience. Are you feeling this brain fry yet? And if you want to go deeper, check out the related video on your screen. It breaks down how to actually use AI without burning out.